Why take SEC 573 instead of some other Python class?
Well, first, there's the GPYC certification, right? Lots of people can claim that they know how to write Python programs, but having and holding that GPYC really sets you apart. It's widely regarded as one of the top certifications for Python in the information security industry. Second, SEC 573 isn't just about learning to code in Python. You can learn that anywhere. SEC 573 is really about learning how to code in Python in skills that are specific to information security. I spent about a year learning German on Duolingo for an upcoming business trip. And when I got to Germany, I could navigate museums and restaurants just fine. But it was a completely different matter when it came to having discussions about risk and vulnerability and exploits and network architecture and things like that. I just didn't have the tools, the words that were, well, specific to my industry. And I found myself wishing that there was an InfoSec module in Duolingo. And SEC 573 is that. It's what makes SEC 573 unique. It is Python, but focused on those skills that you need as an information security professional. You're going to learn how to parse logs, how to read network packets, how to interface with the Windows registry, how to interface with databases and online APIs. We'll even look at how to build backdoors with command and control channels and what those look like so you can detect those in your environment. The focus of SEC 573 is entirely on the skills that you need as an information security professional in today's working environment.
Does everyone in InfoSec need to know Python?
No, not everybody needs to know how to code in Python, but not everybody needs to know how to drive a car or to cook, right? The point is that information security professionals are using Python every single day, whether they know it or not. All AI is built on Python. Python is the language for artificial intelligence. Data analytics, OSINT, forensics frameworks, offensive frameworks, these are all written in Python. If you're doing any kind of reverse engineering of malware or software, well, then knowing how to use Frida, which is a completely Python-based framework, is going to be an essential skill. If you're managing any cloud-based services, Ansible, interacting with APIs, all of that is Python. Scapy, Impacket, Frida, all of these tools are written in Python. And if you know how to run a Python script, then you can get by. But when you know how to write a Python script, read the error messages, run the programs, modify the programs to suit your need, then you have mastery of information security skills. Knowing how to run these programs is going to keep you following the trends, but knowing how to change those programs, to write those programs, and to write new programs is going to have you setting the trends.